case I forget to ask, because I always do, please subscribe to my channel. And of course, like and comment. I always respond back. Doing the job is going to be an awesome thing. So when you have scheduled them on the calendar, you've showed up on time, you're bringing all your equipment. It's how are you, Mrs. Smith? And we're going to do, we've already walked through, so you kind of know what needs to be done. And then you're going to get going, and then you're going to complete the job. And at the end, you're going to offer to do a walkthrough. Walkthroughs are very important. It puts the responsibility back on the homeowner to do a walkthrough. That way they can't say, well, there was a quality issue and blah, blah, blah. And you can always say, but I did a walkthrough with you. I'll be more than happy to come back and fix it for you this time. But next time you need to let me know when we're doing the walkthrough. 9 times out of 10, the client has already walked through. They're just doing a courtesy to you to walk through with you. Some people don't care and they're just not going to check. And then maybe they might say something to you, maybe they won't. But you're also going to ask the customer for feedback. And how you're going to do that is you're going to ask if they want to be put on the schedule for further cleanings. I know that sometimes people will go ahead and schedule to get a lower price. And then it's usually a one-time cleaning. So they don't want to pay for a one-time cleaning price. They actually just want to pay for a one-time cleaning price at a lower rate because it's a promise that we're going to do business later. So keep that in mind when you're doing your bids. So asking is very important.